Hello my art lovers, I am Poonam and welcome back to my new DIY video. Every Thursday I upload new art, craft and home decor videos. To explore more creativity, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. This is one of the DIY home decor project. It's easy to make and I would love to show you how I made this. In my home there is large space above the basin section. So I decided to place a mirror with antique finish frame. So let's start making the mirror. To create a mirror frame, first finalize the size. I have created a rough sketch with exact measurements and given to the carpenter. This frame is made of using MDF material, having a size 38 by 38 inch. Create a thick paste using dental powder and Fevicol 1:2 ratio. Instead of dental powder, you can use POP also. Apply thick layer on the borders and place the decorative material on it. Also add sand to fill the gaps. To create a design on borders, use fevicryl mouldit. It's available on Amazon. Link is given in the description. can buy a mirror of any customized size from the mirror shop. Size of my mirror is 30 by 30 inch. Earlier, I have also created this mirror, which is small in size and rental friendly. Instead of MDF, I have used waste cardboard as a base. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to connect with me for more such creative ideas. Do you like this video? If yes, do subscribe and click that like button. Also tell me what did you like. From this grateful heart, I am really grateful to you for watching my video. See you in my next DIY video. Till then, bye.